this little plastic piece, I suppose, and that's kind of nice that they tell you what tools you're going to need. So I will get that out and I'll see you in a second. So we got her all installed. Took me maybe 5 minutes. The instructions were super helpful, and it's a really nice fit. It really fits well. I'm pleasantly surprised. When the company reached out to me, I mean, I have 80 subscribers. I didn't think it was going to be something this good, and it's I'm kind of honestly blown away. Super good seal on it, super thick seal. Contour lines line up really good. No, can't see any light through anything. It's a really good aftermarket door for your Can-Am. We are taking it out tomorrow, and I will give a review after our ride. Let you know if it holds up to the torture we put it through, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. All right, guys, it is the next day. Door panels are looking good. We are headed out just past Sisters, Oregon to go explore some new trails and campsites, and let's have a good day. Oh shit. Hey guys, we just got back from a day of riding. Awesome day. These doors